Good morning, Facebook fans, TV land. Welcome to Chef Ron International Table. I prepared for you earlier this morning. I thought about what we could have for lunch, brunch, or perhaps even dinner. And what came to my mind was stuffed potatoes, as you can see, centered with a tray of broccoli. These potatoes are stuffed with red cabbage, white cabbage. You have your green peppers, onions, and as a twitch to the taste buds, add a little jalapeno on the top. That gives a delectable entree leading into the main course. And my main course, of course, I talked to the fisherman and I said that I need some ocean cod. And guess what? They came through with it. I talked to my farmers and I said, hey, I need spring beans right out of the garden, fresh. And I have all this garnish with a nice red pepper, green pepper, wild onion base. And I even took a little scoop of those stuffed potatoes and put it on the plate to give it a balanced meal. Chef Ron is concerned about your proper dieting. Chef Ron used all natural meats. Chef Ron used fresh vegetables from the garden. And everything is created naturally. So what goes in, of course, you want it to come out the right way. So in order to have it to come out the right way, you got to take it in the right way. Featuring in the near future, Chef Ron would also be giving you recipes to the menus. I know that I produce everything and I show you up front, but I also have a page that you can follow me up on to get the ingredients and the process in terms of cooking. I want to let you know that Chef Ron wants you to know how to do what he's doing, but I'm going to bring to the table something fresh each and every time you see me. So I would like to say, welcome. Enjoy your lunch, brunch, or perhaps dinner. Served with your vegetable of choice. And this is Chef Ron making his way out. So I would say, good day.